Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro 5G, at the first you have to go for the settings, next move to the more connections and click on the printing. Use the default print service, and as you can see right now our smartphone connects automatically to the HP Color Raster Jet Pro printer. So right now when you want to print something you have to go for that thing. I will show you example in the gallery, in the photos. So I will go right here for the files, images, and I will take picture, this one. Then we have to click right here on the more in the right corner on the three dots. Then click to print or export to PDF. Select the printer in the upper section. And if you want to print that picture, you have to click on this icon. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.